Hey everyone, welcome to this deep dive. Today we're looking at Pinterest affiliate marketing, specifically for beginners in 2025.
Oh, cool.
If you're listening, you're probably thinking, okay, how can I use Pinterest to make some money? Well, guess what? Pinterest has over 500 million active monthly users.
Wow.
A lot of those users are actually already planning purchases.
That's a lot of people.
So we're talking serious buyer intent here, and we've got a ton of resources to help us break this down. Expert guides, articles,
Yeah.
even some YouTubers who are already killing it with Pinterest affiliate marketing.
That sounds awesome. I'm excited to dive in.
So to kick things off, let's address the elephant in the room. What is Pinterest for? Pretty pictures. But is that all?
That's what I used to think too, but it's so much more than that. Pinterest is actually a visual search engine.
Okay, hold on. Visual search engine. What does that even mean?
Think about it. When you're looking for inspiration for like a recipe or a home decor project or even a gift idea, where do you go?
Pinterest for sure.
Exactly. People use Pinterest to actively discover and explore new ideas and products.
So it's not just scrolling mindlessly through a feed, like on some other platform?
Nope. It's people actively searching for things, which makes it a total goldmine for affiliate marketers.
Okay, I'm starting to see the potential here. But why should someone choose Pinterest for their affiliate marketing efforts over, say, Instagram or TikTok?
Well, for starters, the sheer size of the user base is mind-blowing. 518 million globally.
That's huge.
It's more than the entire U.S. population. And here's the kicker. 85% of those users are using Pinterest to plan projects. And get this, 90% use it to make purchase decisions.
Wow. So people are coming to Pinterest wanting to buy stuff.
Exactly. They're already in that shopping mindset, which is a dream scenario for any affiliate marketer.
Okay, those numbers are pretty convincing.
Yeah.
But let's talk about the bottom line. Do people actually spend money on Pinterest?
Oh, absolutely. 1 in 3 Pinterest shoppers earn over $100,000 annually. So you're not just reaching a massive audience, you're reaching an audience with serious spending power.
That's what I like to hear. So we've established that Pinterest has a huge active user base with high purchase intent. But what about longevity? Are we talking about fleeting trends, or can we actually build something sustainable here?
That's one of the best things about Pinterest. Unlike other platforms where content disappears after a few hours, pins on Pinterest have staying power. They can drive traffic and generate revenue for months, even years after you create them.
So it's like building a content library that keeps working for you over time.
Exactly. It's a long-term game, not a get-rich-quick scheme. You're creating high-quality, evergreen content that can generate passive income for years to come.
Okay, I'm sold. Pinterest it is. But let's get down to the nitty-gritty. How do we actually use Pinterest for affiliate marketing? Walk me through the steps.
First things first. You need to set up and optimize your Pinterest business account.
Wait a minute. Why a business account? Can't I just use my personal account?
Technically, you could, but a business account gives you access to so many more tools and features. It's essential for affiliate marketing success. You get analytics, you can run ads, and you can set up rich pins which automatically pull information from your website.
Sounds like a no-brainer.
Yeah.
And it's free to switch, right?
Absolutely. So why not take advantage of all those amazing benefits?
All right. Business account it is. So what should I keep in mind when setting up and optimizing my profile?
Think of your Pinterest profile as your storefront. You want to create a good first impression that attracts your target audience and encourages them to explore further. That means having a professional profile picture, a compelling bio that clearly states your niche, and well-organized boards that showcase your expertise.
So no more random boards filled with cat memes and vacation photos.
Maybe keep those on a separate personal account. For your business account, you want to present a consistent professional image that aligns with your chosen niche.
Got it. Niche down, professionalized, check. What about optimizing the pins themselves? Any tips for making them stand out and drive those affiliate sales?
Absolutely. One of the most important things is to enable rich pins. They automatically pull data from your website, like product titles, descriptions, and prices, so they're super informative for potential buyers. And don't forget about Pinterest SEO. Use relevant keywords in your profile name, bio board titles, and pin descriptions.
So we're treating Pinterest like a search engine, just like Google.
Exactly. Keywords are crucial for helping people find your content. Okay, so you've got your business account set up, your profile is polished, and you're thinking like a search engine whiz. What's next?
Well, I'm ready to find some awesome affiliate programs to join.
Perfect. That's the next step. Finding and joining affiliate programs that align with your niche and target audience. You have 2 main options here: individual programs and affiliate networks.
Can you give me some examples?
Sure. Individual programs are specific to one company or brand. Like if you're promoting sustainable living, you might join Patagonia's affiliate program, or if you're in the beauty niche, Sephora's program could be a good fit.
So you sign up directly with a company whose products you want to promote. What about these affiliate networks?
Affiliate networks connect you with tons of different merchants across various niches. This gives you a wider selection of products to promote, and often streamlines things like tracking and payments. Some popular ones include ShareASale, Awin, and CJ Affiliate.
That sounds like a great way to diversify and find some hidden gems. But how do I choose the right programs for me? There are so many options.
One of the YouTubers we watched had a great tip. Instead of just browsing the usual suspects, do a Google search for best your niche affiliate programs. You'll often find lesser-known programs with really good commission rates.
That's a great tip. I'll definitely do that. So I've got my business account. I found some amazing affiliate programs to join. What's next? Am I ready to start creating pins?
Almost. There's one more crucial thing to remember. You need to be upfront about your affiliate relationships. Always include clear disclosures on your pins to let people know that you may earn a commission if they buy something through your links.
Makes sense. Transparency builds trust. But how do I do those disclosures right? Any tips?
Keep it simple and straightforward. You can use hashtags like #affiliate-link or #sponsored, or add a brief disclaimer in your pin description. Something like, this pin contains affiliate links.
Got it. Transparency is key. So now we've got that sorted. Can we finally talk about creating and sharing those pins with my affiliate links?
Yeah.
What are the secrets to making my pins stand out from the crowd?
Here's a clever strategy. Find viral pins in your niche, the ones that are already getting tons of saves, repins, and clicks, and figure out what's working for them. What kind of visuals are they using? What's their messaging like? Then put your own unique spin on it. Don't copy, but get inspired.
Okay, that's smart.
What else? Another great tip is to create idea pins. They're like mini stories or slideshows that let you showcase products in a more engaging way.
ID pins. Those sound cool.
Yeah. Think of them like a visual story or a mini commercial. They can really capture attention.
Okay, I need to learn more about those.
Yeah.
But first, I'm not a graphic design expert. Do I need to be a Photoshop pro to create eye-catching pins?
Not at all. Canva is a great tool that makes it easy to create professional-looking graphics. Even if you have zero design experience, they have tons of templates, stock photos, and design elements that you can customize.
That's a relief. So once I have my visuals, how do I actually add those affiliate links?
When you create your pin on Pinterest, there's a spot for the destination URL. That's where your affiliate link goes. Just make sure it's a trackable link so you can monitor how much traffic your pins are driving.
So someone clicks on my beautiful optimized pin, they go to the product page through my link, and boom, I get a commission if they buy something.
Well, it's not always that simple. There are other things that come into play, like cookie duration and conversion rates. But that's the basic idea.
This is so exciting. Okay, so
Yeah.
we've covered setting up our profile, finding affiliate programs, crafting those awesome pins, adding our links, and making sure we're disclosing everything transparently. Are we ready to launch our Pinterest affiliate marketing empire?
We've definitely laid the groundwork. But the journey doesn't end there. The next step is all about growing your traffic and income. And that's where things get really interesting.
Okay, I can't wait to hear more. Tell me everything. How do we go from a few pins to a thriving Pinterest garden that brings in those sweet, sweet affiliate sales?
Well, it's all about playing the long game. It's all about consistently creating and sharing high-quality content that resonates with your audience. You're building relationships, nurturing your presence on Pinterest over time. One of our sources talked about someone who grew their Pinterest following to almost 50,000.
Wow, that's incredible.
And now they get half their blog traffic from Pinterest. Imagine that.
So how do we go from a few pins to a thriving Pinterest garden, one that attracts a loyal following and drives those affiliate sales?
Well, first and foremost, consistency is key. Think of it like tending a garden. You got to water, weed, and nurture it regularly to help it flourish.
Okay, that makes sense.
Share new pins consistently. Engage with your followers. Respond to comments like other people's pins.
What about group boards? Should I be using those?
Oh yeah, definitely. Group boards are great. They're basically collaborative boards that multiple Pinterest users can contribute to, so you're tapping into a larger audience pool.
So you're kind of joining forces with other pinners to create a superpowered board.
Exactly. You can search for group boards in your niche that have a large active following and that are accepting new contributors. Usually you can find information about joining in the board's description or by contacting the board owner.
I'll have to check those out. So we've talked about organic growth, but what about paid strategies? Can Pinterest ads help accelerate my affiliate marketing success?
Absolutely. Pinterest ads can be super powerful for boosting your visibility and reach. And here's what's great about Pinterest ads. People are already on the platform in a shopping mindset. They're actively looking for ideas and inspiration, so they're more receptive to seeing ads that align with their interests, unlike other platforms where ads can feel intrusive.
Right, so it's all about being in the right place at the right time.
Exactly. And you can target your ads based on demographics, interests, even specific keywords. So your message is reaching the right people.
Okay, I'm starting to see how effective Pinterest ads can be. But how do I know if my ads are actually working? Is there a way to track performance and make sure I'm getting a return on my investment?
Of course. That's where Pinterest Analytics comes in. You can monitor your ad performance, see how many impressions, clicks, and conversions you're getting, and then adjust your targeting messaging and budget accordingly.
So it's all about being data-driven and making smart decisions.
Exactly. Now let's go back to those idea pins we mentioned earlier. I think they can be a game changer for affiliate marketers.
Tell me more. What makes them so special?
Well, they let you create a more dynamic and engaging experience. Instead of just a static image, you can use multiple images or video clips. Add music voiceovers, even interactive elements like polls or quizzes.
So it's like a mini presentation of your product.
Exactly. You're telling a story, showcasing the value of the product, and creating an immersive experience. For example, if you're promoting a new line of makeup, you could create an idea pin with a step-by-step makeup tutorial featuring those products.
Oh, I get it. That's a really cool way to engage with your audience and show them how to use the product.
Exactly. Or if you're promoting travel gear, you could create a packing for my next adventure idea pin showcasing your favorite must-have items.
Idea pins are definitely going on my list of things to try. Okay, so we've talked a lot about the importance of high-quality content. And I remember one of the experts mentioned the 80-20 rule. What was that all about again?
Right. So the 80-20 rule, also known as the Pareto principle, suggests that 80% of your results will come from 20% of your efforts.
So basically, some of your pins will do really well and others won't.
Exactly, and
Right.
that's totally normal. The key is to identify those high-performing pins, the ones that are driving the most traffic engagement and conversions, and then create more content like that.
So analyze what's working and do more of that.
Exactly. Experiment and see what works best for you. Test different pin formats, visuals, messaging, even posting times. And of course, use Pinterest Analytics to track your progress.
Got it. Analytics are my new best friend. Now, speaking of high-performing content, you mentioned something about promoting pins. Can you explain that a little more?
Sure. So once you identify those top-performing pins, you can give them an extra boost by promoting them through Pinterest ads.
So you're paying to get more people to see them.
Exactly. It helps you reach a larger audience and increase the chances of those pins going viral and driving more traffic to your affiliate links.
That makes sense. Now, one thing we haven't talked much about is email marketing. I know it's important, but how does it fit into the whole Pinterest affiliate marketing strategy?
That's a great question. It's all about diversifying your income streams and building deeper connections with your audience. That's where building an email list comes in.
Okay. But why would I want to take people away from Pinterest? Isn't that where I want them to be?
You're not really taking them away. You're creating a way to connect with them off the platform as well.
Okay, how do I do that?
You can use a lead magnet, like a free checklist ebook or discount code, to entice people to sign up for your email list. This lets you connect with them on a more personal level, share exclusive content, and even promote your affiliate products in a more targeted way.
So I'm building relationships and trust over time, not just relying on one-off clicks on my pins.
Exactly. By building an email list, you're creating a valuable asset that you own and control. It gives you a direct line of communication with your audience.
I like that. So how do I actually get people to sign up for my email list? What are some effective ways to promote my lead magnet?
One of the best ways is to create eye-catching pins specifically for your lead magnet.
So instead of linking to a product, I'd link to a landing page where people can download my freebie in exchange for their email.
Exactly. You can create a simple landing page that highlights the benefits of your lead magnet and make sure to include a clear call to action so people know what to do. Make sure the landing page looks good too. It should be easy to navigate and mobile friendly, of course.
Got it. So make it easy and appealing for people to sign up.
Exactly. And don't forget to promote your lead magnet on your other social media platforms too. And on your website if you have one. The more visibility, the better.
This is all making so much sense. I'm really starting to see how all the pieces fit together to build a successful Pinterest affiliate marketing business. But before we wrap things up, is there anything else I should keep in mind as I start this journey?
One of the most important things to remember is that Pinterest is a visual platform. Your pins need to be eye-catching and visually appealing to grab attention. Use high-quality images, bold colors, interesting compositions, and make sure the text is easy to read.
So no more blurry cell phone pics.
It's worth investing in some high-quality visuals. And don't forget your pin titles and descriptions. They should be clear, concise, and keyword-rich to help people find your pins.
Okay, so high-quality visuals and strong keywords. Got it. Anything else?
Think about the timing of your pins too. When is your target audience most active on Pinterest? There are tools that can help you figure this out.
So don't just pin whenever I feel like it?
Right. It's about being strategic with your timing. And consistency is key. Pin regularly to keep your content fresh and engage your followers. Create a pinning schedule that works for you and try to stick to it.
Okay, consistency and strategic timing. Noted. But with so much competition on Pinterest, is there anything else I can do to stand out and build a loyal following?
Collaboration is key. Engage with other pinners in your niche. Comment on their pins, repin their content. Participate in group boards. The more you connect with others, the more visibility you'll get.
So it's not just about me, me, me. It's about being a part of the community.
Exactly. The more you give, the more you'll receive. And remember, building a successful Pinterest affiliate marketing business takes time and effort. Don't expect overnight success.
It's a marathon, not a sprint.
Right.
Exactly. Success on Pinterest is a journey. Embrace the process. Have fun and enjoy the ride.
This has been an incredibly deep dive into the world of Pinterest affiliate marketing. I'm feeling so inspired and ready to start building my dream business. Thank you so much for sharing all these insights. It's been my pleasure, remember? You have the knowledge and the tools to succeed. So go out there, unleash your creativity, and start pinning your way to affiliate marketing success.
And that's a wrap on this deep dive. We hope you enjoyed this exploration of Pinterest affiliate marketing. You don't need to be a tech expert or a marketing genius to make this work. With a little effort, consistency, and creativity, you can turn your passion for Pinterest into a profitable side hustle or even a full-time income. So keep learning, exploring, and diving deep into the world of possibilities.